You won't believe how people are using AI to earn thousands of dollars online every single month without showing their face, without recording any video, and without expensive gear. Some are even doing it in just 10 minutes. A day on channel got over 4 million views in just 30 days. Sounds insane, right? Well, stay with me because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to create viral YouTube videos that make money 24/7. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editor, a storyteller, or even show your face. At the end, I'll share a bonus AI tool that almost no one is using, but it can literally make your videos blow up overnight. Step 1. Create a unique story. It all starts with a story. But not just any story. Let me show you how to make something unique that hooks people in the first 5 seconds. Most creators say, "Hey ChatGPT, write me a bedtime story," and hit enter. That's what 10,000 other people are doing, and YouTube's algorithm knows. Here's how to be different. Use a custom prompt like this. Write a dramatic and emotional short story about a girl who receives a mysterious voice note from her missing father on her 16th birthday, and what she discovers changes everything. Now that's a hook. That's original. That's viral potential. You can also ask ChatGPT to make the story. Cinematic. Filled with dialogue. Include cliffhangers. Emotional twists. Once it's done, paste the story into Google Docs to organize and polish it. This becomes your script and storyboard. Keep the story around 500–800 words for a 3 to 5 minute voiceover. Step 2. Turn the story into AI images. Now we bring the story to life visually. Go to Leonardo AI or pick Lumen and choose Landscape, 16:9, format perfect for YouTube. For every scene in your story, describe the visuals in detail. Example prompt. A teenage girl sitting in a candlelit room, listening to a glowing phone with a sad, shocked expression, vintage style. Choose a consistent art style. 3D, cartoon. Cinematic illustration. Realistic painting. Generate 8–12 key images that follow the progression of the story. Add shadows, lighting, and emotion for impact. This makes your video stand out. Step 3. Animate the AI images. Static images are cool, but animated scenes keep people watching. Use Hello AI or Lipix. Upload your images. Add zoom in, pan, or slow circular motion. Keep transitions smooth and natural. You can also generate short video clips with Runway ML if you want bonus visuals. Now your story feels like a movie, not just a slideshow. Step 4. AI voiceover. Now we bring the emotion with voice. Use tools like ElevenLabs, PlayHT, Murph AI. Paste your story script. Choose a realistic voice, female, male, young, or old, depending on your character. Tips. Break the story into paragraphs for each scene. Use pauses, whispery tones, or dramatic pacing if the story is suspenseful. Generate the full voiceover and save it. If it sounds robotic, reword or tweak the lines to flow naturally. Step 5. Edit video with CapCut. Time to put it all together. 1. Import animated images. 2. Add voiceover clip by clip. 3. Match image to each line of story. 4. Add captions. Bold fonts. Color highlights. Center or bottom position. Add royalty-free music from YouTube audio library, like sad piano, and suspenseful pads to ukulele match your story's emotion. Use crossfade and smooth transitions for a pro feel. Export in 1080p or 4K. Your video is now ready to go. Bonus, upload strategy and AI tool. Don't just upload and pray. Use viral title formats. She heard a voice from the attic and froze. 16th birthday surprise turned into a nightmare. He vanished in 2002, but she just got his message. Use Canva for thumbnails. Use an emotional face or dramatic object, glowing phone, mysterious box. Add bold text like, "Play this alone," or "What would you do?" Now here's the secret bonus tool I promised. vidIQ AI or TubeBuddy AI. They help you. Choose the right keywords. Optimize tags, suggest viral titles, predict performance. Upload 2-3 videos per week, and one viral hit can bring in 10,000 plus subs fast. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button because I share more powerful AI tips every week to help you grow fast on YouTube. And if you're curious about how to start your own Faceless AI channel, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a full step-by-step video showing you how to do it the easy way. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. And remember, you don't need a face or fancy gear to go viral, you just need the right AI strategy.